In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on QuickBooks. So whether you're a small business owner or just someone managing their personal finances, knowing how to issue a refund in QuickBooks can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it and make this process as straightforward as possible. To start, you'll need to go to the QuickBooks Online website. So open up your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL. Once you're on the homepage, take a look to the top right corner where you'll see the sign in option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you'll want to enter your email and password that's associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure these are entered correctly to avoid any frustrating login errors. Once you've entered your information, go ahead and click on the sign in button. A good practice here is to ensure your browser is set to remember your login credentials if you frequently access QuickBooks for convenience. After you've successfully signed in and you've landed on your QuickBooks dashboard, your next step is to go to where it says New. You'll typically find it in the left-hand navigation menu. This area is a hub for creating various documents and accessing different tools within QuickBooks. When you click on New, a list of options will appear, and in this list you'll want to look for the refund receipt. This is the form you'll fill out to process the refund for your customer. Click on Refund Receipt and you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter the specifics of the refund. Now on this page you will see a field to select your customer. Use the drop down menu to choose the customer who is receiving this refund. It's a simple step, but double check that you've selected the correct customer to prevent any errors. Next, it's time to add the product or service that you're issuing the refund for. You will find a section labelled Product Service, and here you can search for and select the appropriate item. Entering the correct product or service ensures that your inventory, if you're tracking it, remains accurate. QuickBooks will also allow you to add any applicable taxes, so in the tax section, input the tax that was applied to the original sale transaction. This step is essential for ensuring all financial records remain consistent and accurate. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary details, you'll notice an option saying Save and New. Click on this to finalize the refund process. This not only saves the current refund receipt, but also immediately allows you to start a new transaction if needed. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to process a refund on QuickBooks. Keeping track of these details helps maintain your financial records in good order, ensuring that both you and your customers are satisfied. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.